Hey, what's up guys? Nick with the Hauler Junk Removal out here in Oceanside today. Gonna be recycling some paint. So if you guys don't know where to take your paint, all right, so you just bring it to your local paint shop and drop off your paint. It's pretty easy to do. It's free. I think you're allowed at like 20 gallons a day. So yeah, so that's what you do. But if you need it taken for you, we'll take it for you. Call the Hauler Junk Removal. 760-331-3289. We'll do it for you. Pick up any trash, anything you need, we'll take care of it. Same day, next day. We're super busy again today. It's Monday. We're just getting slammed with phone calls. Our WOFU booking online platform is doing really well. We got some good advice on that one. So it's a big shout out to Ricardo and DFW Junk guys. Super stoked. Anyway, give us a holler in the North County, San Diego, Vista, Carlsbad, Encinitas. We're here to help you with all your paint removal needs or trash or junk or whatever is in your trunk. Give us a holler. 760-331-3289.